Today I will show you how to use SuperBlast Art. Let's start unboxing. Also, before we start, we have all of these Dollertree stencils I will be using in this SuperBlast Art. Put some marker in. You need. Alright, start. Right now we have 2 stencils. I really want to. Alright. We'll start popping out the parts. It won't hurt. Both of my stencils, we removed all of the little parts which were inside, and so now we're ready to use. Now we are going to open these and fix it so we can start blowing in it. Here are the instructions. First, you want to open it like this. Then you want to take it out. Insert this through here. Now place this on top. Kaboom. Now, first of all, you need to push hard through so it reaches the point. So now we're ready. To blow hard. Dun 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 dun. Alright, now let's start making this llama. You read my mind. Dun, dun, dun. This was super fun, and I really liked how they came to look out to be. Now I'm going to try with the Dollartree stencils. You won't get the Dollartree stencils on. Now I'm going to try this rose. Pretty awesome. It gets all dirty, so you have to choose them. Here is another stencil. Textures stencil. Alright, I'll start using. No spit. Don't spit in it. Blow in it. Alright. I'm studying what to do. If you want to do red. Yay! So we've got our multicolored, there's colors inside of the color. Ta-da! Yeah, look, it's wine glass, hearts all around it. Now now I'm going to show you how to make a birthday card for your friends and family with the SuperBlast Art. Okay, this is Dollertree. Alright, now we're gonna start making the flags on top. If you want to clean up, you can just wipe it off. I'm going to use a big birthday cake right in the center. Happy birthday wishes. Alright. Now we're going to remove it, wipe it. I use the big birthday cake. Now I know. Sure up. So. Look at this. Now you can give this to your friends and family. Now I'm going to decorate the center of the card. Here wonderfully created a happy birthday card. This is the out cover. Your friends will be delighted to see it. And on the inside, you could write your name at the top, put some confetti everywhere. And you could write your name at the top and also your friend's name at the bottom. Here is my whole collection of art I've done. Like, here's my arts from here's the two arts from all the dogs. Here's the two we got from the set, and this is the one that we got from this one. Fun one. Happy birthday. If it's your birthday, happy birthday. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to my mom's channel. Thank you for watching. Give us a thumbs up on this video. Bye-bye.